I've tested these wrist wraps so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. After countless hours at the gym, I found the top 5 wrist wraps that actually deliver on their promises. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned lifter, I've got you covered with real, honest insights.
Product number 1. Gym Reaper's Lifting Wrist Straps. When I first tried the Gym Reaper's lifting wrist straps, I was immediately struck by their durability and comfort. As someone who has experienced the frustration of grip fatigue during intense workouts, these straps were a game changer. The moment I wrapped them around my wrists, I felt a sense of security. The padded neoprene provided a snug fit, allowing me to focus solely on my lifts without the nagging worry of my grip failing. These straps are 18 inches long, perfect for heavy lifts like deadlifts and rows, where grip strength often gives out before the target muscles do. I pushed my limits and could feel the difference. I was finally able to shift the workload back to my back and lats where it belonged. The pros of these straps are numerous. First, the durable cotton webbing ensures they won't fray or stretch even after repeated use. The extra length allows for multiple wraps, giving me a secure hold on any barbell or dumbbell. The neoprene padding is a lifesaver. It prevents pinching or digging into my skin, making my lifting sessions pain-free. However, nothing is perfect. The only downside I encountered was that they might be a bit bulky for someone who prefers a minimalistic approach. If you're looking for something lightweight, these might feel a bit heavy on the wrists, but for serious lifters, that trade-off is worth it. So, why should you buy the Gym Reaper's lifting wrist straps? If you're serious about lifting and want to enhance your performance, these straps are essential. They provide the support needed to push through tough sets while keeping your wrists safe from injury. The quality and thought put into their design speak volumes about Gym Reaper's commitment to lifters. I wholeheartedly recommend these straps. They've earned a permanent spot in my gym bag. Product number 2. Harbinger Padded Cotton Lift Straps. The first time I slipped on the Harbinger Padded Cotton Lift Straps, I was impressed by the soft Neotech wrist pads. They felt like a gentle hug around my wrists, cushioning them perfectly during heavy lifts. With a length of 21.5 inches, I found that they wrapped around the bar securely, giving me the confidence to crank out more reps without worrying about grip fatigue. I was able to focus entirely on my form and strength, which is crucial when you're pushing your limits. What stood out the most was the reinforced edges and heavy-duty stitching. These features made me feel assured that they would withstand the wear and tear of my workout regimen. I've put them through all kinds of exercises, from deadlifts to pull-ups, and they've held up beautifully. The only con I noticed was the sizing. The 1.5-inch width might not suit those who prefer a slimmer strap. However, for someone like me, the wider strap increased surface contact and significantly improved my grip. Why should you consider the Harbinger Padded Cotton Lift Straps? If you want a reliable, durable, and comfortable lifting strap that doesn't compromise on quality, these are it. They've enhanced my gym experience and allowed me to lift heavier weights with less strain on my wrists. Overall, I think they're an excellent investment for any serious lifter. Product number 3. Gym Reaper's Weightlifting Wrist Wraps. When I got the Gym Reaper's weightlifting wrist wraps, I was immediately struck by their professional quality. Being IPF approved is no small feat, and it gives you confidence right off the bat. I put them to the test during my powerlifting sessions, and they provided unparalleled support. The 18-inch length is perfect for serious lifters, allowing for a snug fit that doesn't compromise circulation. I love how I can adjust the tightness based on my lift. Whether it's a heavy bench press or a shoulder press, these wraps adapt to my needs. The thicker thumb loops are a great addition. They keep the wraps in place and allow me to control the tension effortlessly. However, I did find that the wraps can be a bit stiff at first, but they break in nicely after a few uses. The elastic material is durable and supportive without being restrictive. In terms of durability, these wraps are built to last. I've used them consistently, and they show no signs of wear or tear. Why buy the Gym Reaper's weightlifting wrist wraps? If you're serious about lifting and want wrist support that meets competition standards, these wraps are a must-have. They've helped me push past my limits and prevented wrist pain during heavy lifts, making them an essential part of my training gear. Product number 4. FitGriff Wrist Wraps for Weightlifting. The FitGriff wrist wraps have quickly become my go-to. As someone who needs stability during heavy lifts, I found these wraps to be exceptional. They cradle my wrists perfectly, allowing me to feel secure while bench pressing and performing overhead lifts. The industrial Velcro closure is strong, ensuring that they stay in place no matter how intense the workout gets. The clear left and right indicators are a thoughtful touch, making it easy to put them on quickly, which is crucial when I'm in the zone. One standout feature is the quality of the cotton used. It feels luxurious against the skin and doesn't irritate even during long sessions. The reinforced stitching adds another layer of durability, meaning I can rely on them lift after lift without worrying about them falling apart. That said, the only downside is they might not be as adjustable for those who like a snug fit. They tend to fit a bit loose for my taste. So why should you consider the FitGriff wrist wraps? If comfort and durability are what you're after, these wraps have it all. They've made my lifting sessions more enjoyable and less taxing on my wrists. Plus, the 30-day return policy is a nice assurance if they don't meet your expectations.
Product number 5. VinSqueer 21-inch Elastic Wrist Wraps. The VinSqueer 21-inch elastic wrist wraps caught my attention for their sleek design and professional quality. As someone who has dealt with wrist sprains and tendinitis in the past, I was eager to see if these wraps could provide the support I needed during heavy lifts. I found them to be incredibly easy to use, and the Velcro closure is secure, ensuring they stay locked in place. The elastic material offers a great balance between flexibility and support, allowing me to maintain mobility while still stabilizing my wrists. What impressed me most was that they're USPA certified, which speaks volumes about their reliability and quality. I've used them for everything from squats to clean and jerks, and they've held up remarkably well. The only downside was that they felt a bit tight initially, but they loosened up after a few workouts. Why should you buy the VinSqueer 21-inch elastic wrist wraps? They offer excellent support, are built to last, and look great while doing it. If you're serious about your lifting and want a product that meets high performance standards, these wraps are an excellent choice.